Hi, welcome back everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download Douyin on your iPhone or iPad, basically iOS, which is a little bit different from Android because Android is quite straightforward. If you want to know how to download Douyin, the Chinese TikTok onto your Android phone, then you can watch this video. And for 2026, I think the only method to create a Douyin account verified is this method over here, that you're using your own passport to verify it, even if you are a foreigner. So if you want to learn how to set up a Douyin account verified, then watch this video. And if you want to learn how to download Douyin on your Android phone, then watch this video. Otherwise, let's get started. And I'm going to show you how you can download the Douyin app on your iOS. So basically, this is my iPad. I don't have an iPhone, so I'm going to use an iPad. Basically, you need to click on this App Store over here. So once you click on the App Store, don't worry about it because even if you download the Douyin app, you still can update it. So what you want to do is click on this button over here, the top right hand corner, and that'll bring you to your profile. And then I want you to click on this one over here. And you can see that the country right now is, for me, I'm using Singapore. So I'm going to change this to China Mainland. There's two that you can do. It's either go to China Mainland or go to Hong Kong web store. But I'm going to use China Mainland for another reason, which I'll explain later on. So let's just click on China Mainland now. And then they'll ask us whether if you want to continue. And we just have to agree on it. And for this payment over here, you may have Alipay or you may have WeChat Pay, but for this, unless you're going to buy some app, otherwise then we'll skip this part over here. Credit card, you have to use a China credit card. So basically, you can only use Alipay or WeChat Pay, which you have to install on your iPad first before you can choose this. Anyway, let's click on this None over here, and then we have to enter all this. This one is require. So all this require, let me see, I'm going to enter Beijing. And then optional, we are going to skip. And then the require one, but postal code I think is 6 digit. So I'm going to just enter 60 over here. And then for region wise, I'm going to enter Beijing again. And then district province, we click on it and I'm going to select Beijing again. And then the name over here, and I'll just click done. Okay, this field is require the phone number. So I'm going to have to enter some phone number on it. I'm not sure how many digit it is, so I'm just click done. Can't, so either it's too many digit or too little. Okay, I don't know how many digit is that. But right now we can see that the country has changed to China. And then we are going to head over to the web store over here. Right now what you are seeing is basically a Chinese app store. So you don't have your WhatsApp or your YouTube over here. So what you want to do is click on this search button over here, and then you're going to type over here, type Douyin, and click on this first one over here, and this is the one that you want, either this one or this one. This one, 打开 is referring to open. So because I already installed Douyin on my iPad, so if I click on this, it will just open my Douyin account. And why do I choose a China Mainland store? Because on the China Mainland, if there's any other Chinese app that you want to download, if you know the name, just search for it and download. Because some of the app is not available in the Hong Kong App Store. That is only exclusive to China App Store. That's why I prefer to switch to a China App Store as compared to a Hong Kong App Store for iPad or iPhone, because there's a lot of other app. Like I downloaded a Doubao. Doubao is a Chinese chat GPT. If I search, I think Doubao is called this, right? Yeah, the first one over here. I really install it, and this is the one. So if I click open, then you will start the Doubao. I'm not sure if this is available on the Hong Kong App Store. Most probably not, because this one is also a Douyin extension. So it's Douyin exclusive kind of Chinese ChatGPT that you can do a PowerPoint, you can do a text to image, and it's 100% free and unlimited use. So even if you talk to this Doubao in English, they can reply you in English as well. So this is just a Chinese ChatGPT with more. Of course, you can do all the translation, all the PPT, all the PDF. You can ask Doubao to do it. So with that, we are done. And what you want to do after you finish download is to click on this one over here and change back. Click on this account over here. And what you want to do is change back this one to your own app store. And you're done from this. And for updating of the Douyin app, you don't have to come back to the China App Store. So just update it as usual as how you update your other app, because once the iPad or iPhone detect that you have Douyin, they'll auto update it. You don't have to switch to China App Store to do that. So with that, I thank you all for staying with me. If you like the video, please give this a like and share. And I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.